All right, so the vote is in, and it is time to buy the stock that you voted on in last week's video. So let's jump into Robinhood. All right, I've got Robinhood pulled up, and if you didn't catch it there in the intro, the vote is in. There was one vote. Not a very popular series yet on this channel. We're still growing, all good. We had one vote on which stock I should buy in last week's video, and that was for AMD. So we're gonna purchase AMD, but before I do that, I just wanna go over real quick what this is and how the portfolio did. So every week I put $100 into a stock that you guys vote on in the comments below this video. So all you got to do is hit the like button next to whichever stock you think I should buy next week. I put $100 into that stock the following week after I tally up the votes. So this week we had one vote. It was for AMD, so we're going to buy $100 of AMD. You can see on the screen we've had a good week. We're up 3.32% right now, and I would guess most of that is due to Tesla. Well, you know what? Apple also had a pretty good week. But we've got $100 in Tesla, $100 in Apple, $100 in Facebook. So this is the fourth week of this thing. So we're going to put $100 into AMD this week. You can see I've got my $100 of buying power, so basically cash. The portfolio is up to $432. So I've got $400 of my own money put in here. This is the fourth time doing it, $100 each, and we've made $32 of profit on our investments. So pretty good return for 4 weeks, right? I mean, let's look. The last month I've made 5.67% on our investment, so pretty sweet stuff. 8% over the last 3 months. Can't really complain there a whole lot. So and we've got some good stocks to start with, you know, Apple, Tesla, Facebook, big stocks, but those are good ones. I mean, it's not like those are garbage companies or anything like that. So very good companies. Pretty happy with how this is shaping up. It's not going to be $100 a week forever, though. My plan for this portfolio, I'm going to keep doing the vote thing. We're going to have fun with this, you guys. Hopefully we get a lot more votes going into it, and it's kind of just a big brain thing, you know, like a bunch of brains going at it is better than just me picking the stock, right? So that's the idea there, and we're going to have some fun, gets the community together to do something here together. So that's the idea behind it. But eventually, once this channel monetizes, once I hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched, this channel will start generating money from ads. And my plan is the money that I generate on this channel is going to go into this portfolio. So we'll be voting every week to buy a stock with that money. And you know, it's $100 a week now, but who knows where that's going to go? You know, it could end up being $1,000 a week at some point. That would be crazy. You know, I don't know that this channel will ever get that big, but that's the plan right now. I want to keep growing my investments, and this is one way to do it, and this is a fun way to do it. So that's the plan for the video series. We'll see how it unravels over time, right? So let's get into our purchase for this week. AMD was the winner, so let's throw AMD up here, pull it up. We've got our $100 of buying power to put into it. I like AMD too, so I'm very happy that this is the stock that we're going to purchase. All right, so we got our $100 put into the order, and boom, it's that easy. So I say this every week. What I really love about Robinhood is it's just so easy to use. The GUI is just super user friendly. Let's go back to our portfolio, take a look and make sure that AMD is in there, and boom, we got our 1.03 shares of AMD. The GUI is super easy to use. It's user friendly. You saw how easy it was there for me to make that purchase, and we put $100 into AMD, right? We didn't purchase one share, we didn't purchase 2 shares or 10 shares. We purchased a dollar amount of AMD. So that's what's really cool about Robinhood is you don't have to have, you know, for example, Amazon is trading at like $3,000 a share right now. If you want to invest in Amazon right now with $100, you can do that in Robinhood. You can buy fractional shares. So it's really cool for, especially for a portfolio like this where we're doing $100 a week. That's what I can afford for this particular portfolio. So it really works out that we're using Robinhood. The other reason I'm using Robinhood for this portfolio is it just looks good, and it's easy to use to make these videos with. So I really like it for the beginner investor. That's another reason why I'm using it. If there's anybody out there that's watching this video that is new to investing and they haven't gotten into it yet because they're a little maybe scared or they don't know how to start, Robinhood makes it so easy. Once you create an account, you just saw how I bought $100 worth of AMD right there. You do have to hook up your bank account to it and transfer cash over, but once you do that, you type in the name of the company and you type in how much money you want to put into that company. You hit the buy button. That's it. It's that easy. So Robinhood is great for the beginner investor. It's super user friendly, things like that. So that's one of the reasons why I'm doing it for this portfolio. Okay, so let's just wrap things up. We got $100 of Apple, Tesla, Facebook, and AMD. So we've got $400 invested into this portfolio now. We've made $32 of profit on it, and we're going to do the same thing next week. So if you haven't yet, go down to the comments below this video and hit the like button next to whichever stock you think I should put $100 into next week. All right, and if you're not a subscriber yet and you enjoy stuff like this, I also do price targets on stocks based on stock chart pattern analysis. So if you like that kind of stuff, go on over to my channel, Money Dad, and look at that list of videos that I have in that series. I do stock price predictions on stocks based on patterns that I see on their charts, and those have done pretty well. So check that stuff out. If you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the like button next to the stock down in the comments that you think I should buy next week, and I'll see you there. Okay, thanks guys.